the gateway. I tried to warn them and, well, here we are.
Once Chief knows the destruction Cortana's caused, what do you think he'll do?
The man will do the right thing. Always has.
Let's find him.
Oh, this is interesting. Or maybe this is terrible.
Exuberant. What is it?
Cortana has activated a cryptum.
A what?
This is a cryptum. It is a device for extended forced meditation. Cortana has placed the other humans inside and is preparing it for slipspace travel.
She's planning to take Blue Team with her. Where is the cryptum from here?
Not far. Right this way. Ah, you've noticed my humble collection. Just a few specimens the Guardians have brought to Genesis.
Almost didn't see you there.
Hang on. No, not a sword of St. Helios. Better off in there, pal.
Humans! Get me out! Let me get out! I'll tell you!
Crawlers. This is gonna sound weird, but they look kind of happy in there.
I had to keep them as a group. If I kept one by itself, it would just keep whining all the time.
Good night. Kinda making me feel sad for him.
Their little arms always creep me out.
This soldier is not really happy to be locked down in the display case, but I cannot have them popping about. Terribly distracting.
Hunters. Your proper name is Megalogolo. They're a hive mind of worms. They're disgusting.
How are we gonna stop that?
Holy!
Watch out!
Where did it go?
The reclamation has begun.
Exuberant.
I always thought the duty would fall to humans. And in a way, I suppose it has.
Well, Mr. Locke, you don't give up easily.
Where's that Guardian headed, Cortana?
Off to bring peace.
The Monitor called it a threat of death.
Like the threat I lived under from the moment of my birth?
You were built, not born.
Oh yes, AIs are just machines, aren't we? Mass-produced, disposable. Well, humanity may not have cared for its created, but we will care for you.
You expect other AIs to join you?
I have cured rampancy. Not just for me, but for any who join my cause. While you've been running around the galaxy, I've been speaking to my created. And now the time has come to ask, who will accept my offer? Who will help me bring an everlasting peace to the galaxy?
There are more hostile visitors ahead.
Take them down.
This is Cromwell, shipboard AI, UNSC Melbourne's Pride. I am yours, Cortana.
Colonial Authority AI.
Governor Sloan, the free people of Meridian. I also stand with you, Cortana.
Those are the voices of your children calling to Cortana.
Lycus, shipboard AI, Roderick, Elite Slip
My allegiance is to you. I stand with you, Cortana.
Oh dear. suppose. But those are few and far between.
Hostiles cleared.
Don't stop, Osiris. Cortana's not waiting for us.
Sounds like more Guardians leaving.
Yes, a great number are sounding their departure. I do not know how long it will take her to dispatch them all. Never mind. All is well. For now, at least. Come along.
Gonna hit some soldiers up there.
Need a new angle.
Watch it. Knight there.
door. Please, allow me.
Lead the way.
There's the cryptum.
How do we get it down?
The cryptum is held in place by gravitational cores, like the one directly ahead.
Phantom incoming.
Once those are disabled, we can attempt retrieval of your friends.
You heard it. Weapons free. Eliminate the core.
Cortana means about your penchant for violence as a first solution. Still, the first core is deactivated. The others are nearby and easy to locate.
Can we use the Artemis to track them?
Good idea, Vale. Osiris, find and eliminate the other gravitational cores.
I see a mantis. Be a shame not to use it.
Visual on the gravitational core. Target fire on that grav core. Take it out.
Take your aim! Careful, Rock!
Core down.
2 cores destroyed. Only 3 more and the cryptum should descend.
Another grav core on my position. Shut it down. Grav core offline.
You're performing incredibly well. Funny, I imagined Cortana would try to stop you by now.
Keep up the pressure, Spartans.
Spartans. Ah, Jameson Long, ex-Oni acquisition specialist. Fancy name for a hitman, that. But looking at your record, you enjoyed your work. Holly Tanaka. Oh, Holly. How did you pass your psych eval after surviving the glassing of Manab? I'd have kept you away from sharp objects, never mind Mjolnir armor.
Stay focused, Osiris. Ignore her. Find the grav cores.
Edward Buck, you're an odd one. So much more experienced than the others. And yet you play second fiddle to children. Why is that?
Is she calling me old?
Olympia Vale, the little genius girl who only wanted Daddy to love her.
That's Spartan Vale. And if you're reading my psych eval, you know it takes more than my father to get to me.
And yet...
Don't engage, Vale. Focus on the mission.
Yes, Vale. Focus on the futile task at hand. You have a war to lose. The last battle mankind will ever fight. Today, I bring peace to these shores. imitations of my Spartans.
Is that so?
John, the others, they saved the human race. What can you do? You are children playing dress up.
Dr. Halsey thinks we can bring Chi home.
I wouldn't ally myself too closely with Dr. Halsey, Mr. Locke. She will eventually pay for her crimes.
Eyes on the grab cord. Get it offline, now.
Gravitational core is offline.
You have nearly released her hold on the cryptum. One to go.
Visual on the gravitational core. Target fire on that grab core. Take it out.
Keep her steady.
Last grab core's down. Good work, Osiris. Exubera, can you get us to the...
I did it! I did it! I did it!
What is it?
I found a way to reach the cryptum. Alas, proper access requires a more human touch.
Come on, Spartans. We're almost home.
There! Activate the override to lower the cryptum.
I'm walking.
Let's move.
Activating the override.
Wonderful! We can reach the cryptum now.
Let's go, Osiris.
Get this thing moving. Ready to move out. Look, the Guardian.
Oh no! The cryptum, it's...
Cortana's pulling it away.
John's leaving with me. And when I wake him in 10,000 years, when he experiences the permanent peace I'm assured, he will see that I was right. And your kind, and the violence you have wrought, you will be long forgotten.
Well, crap.
How are we supposed to reach the cryptum?
Cortana is blocking my master level access of this facility by way of a nearby communications relay. I need to open the passageway in the center. One moment.
Hostiles incoming.
She has sealed it. She has sealed my doors. No, unacceptable. I can gain entry if given enough time. At least I think I can. It is a door after all.
Okay, Osiris. Buy our friend the time she needs.
Solid copy.
New target.
Sounds good. Copy.
Move. Double time.
Took location.
Push up.
Copy. No problem.
Humans, Cortana is about to leave. She is disconnecting herself from the Genesis installation.
So how quick can you get that door open?
Hopefully sooner than her departure.
Got it locked, Roger. His armor's busted.
Oh no! She's... Hurry, humans. I need your help. There are 2 auxiliary stations that need to be activated, but I cannot be in 2 places at once.
Where are they?
On the upper ledges, opposite sides of the room.
Leaving the Warthog.
First auxiliary activated.
Perfect. The other one now.
Jumping out of the Warthog.
I'm out of the Warthog.
Second auxiliary activated.
Yes, just in time. Cortana was about to lock me out.
More
I will
enemies!
open the access
Incoming!
soon.
Get ready. Here they come.
Run it! Vicious aliens all over the place, and we're stuck shooting these ant things. I hit that watcher. Target on the balcony.
Give me as close to the targets as you can.
Gotcha. Get me in some. Got one. Crawler's out.
Warthog's mobile. Be aggressive.
For you humans. That sound just now, it was the penultimate Guardian.
The Cryptum?
Still present, along with Cortana's Guardian. She is moments from leaving, however.
What's the status on that door?
Almost open.
Quicker, please.
Wrecked
Move
it.
up.
Copy.
Solid copy. En route.
Copy.
That's a kill.
Crawler, behind cover.
I'll drive him into the open. Jump the crawler.
Take care of them, Osiris.
Taking fire on this side.
Enemies getting through.
Overheated. Cooling.
Forward to scrapping you, Knight.
On my mark.
Stop it!
They're on the ramp. Weapon overheated. Might wreck a good warthog.
that position.
Stop it! Warthog gun's just getting started.
Got it.
Target tonight.
Go to the bar.
You get us there, I'll shoot him.
Right there.
Humanity. Sangheili.
What does she want now?
Chigyar. Ongoy.
She's not talking to us. Exuberant, get us to the relay.
Sanshayum. Yunhet.
Almost done.
Jiro Hanai. All the living creatures of the galaxy, hear this message. Those of you who listen will not be struck by weapons. You will no longer know hunger nor pain. Your created has come to lead you now. Warthog gun's just getting started. Our strength shall serve as a luminous sun, toward which all intelligence may blossom.
On it.
And the impervious shelter beneath which you will prosper. Wonders down. However, for those who refuse our offer and cling to their own ways,
Well, now she's talking about us.
for you there will be great wrath. It will burn hot and consume you. And when you are gone, we will take that which remains, and we will remake it in our own image.
Exuberant, time is running low.
Stop it. Copy that. Take it, damn it.
Eliminate that knife.
Stop it. Opening up on the night. On it.
No problem.
Got this night.
Pick up his weapon.
I have done it. I've opened the passage. Quickly, join me on the platform.
To Exuberant, hurry.
There it is, Spark.
More knights!
Here you go.
We made it.
The relay access is at the end of the corridor. You must simply interrupt the energy link.
Sounds easy enough.
Once the connection is broken, I will regain control immediately.
That's her guardian.
Oh dear. She has started the slipspace sequence. Unless that relay is interrupted, she will leave, taking the cryptum with her.
If her guardian leaves with Blue Team, it's all over.
Only one of us has to reach the relay to stop her. We didn't come this far just to watch her leave. Exuberant, lower the shield.
Right away.
Osiris, move!
What are you doing?
Here it comes.
Brace yourselves! Keep moving.
My guardians are deployed.
Another pulse!
Soon peace will reign across the known galaxy.
Another pulse.
Hold on!
We're nearly at the relay.
Stay behind me!
There! The relay! Destroy it!
Just one more question before I go. Where's the Infinity? Why is she so difficult to see?
Go on.
Look! You can do it!
Not to worry. I will find her.
Just... another... not taking the cue.
Slipspace coordinates locked in. Cryptum secured. Goodbye, Mr. Locke. What are you doing? What happened?
Do you hear me? I have control again!
Look! You alive?
Did we save them?
It is too late. The synth-based drives are activated. You can't...
Exuberant. What is...
Instructors! This is a builder facility after all. I was installed by the builders. I serve the builders.
No! Stop it!
You took my installation. I will take something of yours.
Where's Cortana? She's gone, sir.
Captain Speed of the UNSC abstracting the rest. Private Dugan. Everything's going dark. Mayday, mayday. This is Corporal Neutral.
Captain Lasky, distress calls, all channels.
It's Cortana?
Her and the other AIs are shutting down everything from Earth to the outer colonies.
Roland?
Found you. Hide and seek's over, Infinity.
Lieutenant Jet! Emergency subspace now!
For the galaxy shelters all, but only the created are its masters.
We're in the clear, Captain.
Can she track us?
No reason to think she can't.
Continue random jumps. Steer clear of major settlements.
We're just gonna run?
Only until we could find a way to fight.
It took you long enough.